There they are. They're ugly little things, but I'd say another week or two, they'll be ready to slaughter and go in the freezer. And yes, we will be filming that day. Probably won't be able to film the process because I don't want to get banned on YouTube just starting out. So I will video some of the process, but probably not the killing of the chickens. So, like I said before, exciting things are happening on the farm now. So, stay tuned. Y'all have a blessed day.